Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, standing outside my garage. In this video I will show you how to caulk, or in my case recaulk, the caulking between the house and the trim wood around the garage door successfully and cleanly every time. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. If you like some garage time in your off time, if you like do-it-yourself projects, if you like working on your own car, even a project car, if you like organizing your garage, then Scott's Garage is a place for you. All of my do-it-yourself projects begin here in my garage. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm standing literally outside my garage, Scott's Garage, everything do-it-yourself. This project is to recaulk the trim work around the garage door itself. Now, we live in Texas. It's been a brutally hot summer, and the original caulking shrunk. It just looked bad. I've already pulled the old caulking off, and that's one of the keys. You have to pull off the old caulking. I also did some work. There was a big knot here. I just filled it in and stuff. I'll be painting this at the end and painting over the caulking. But prep work, so I've already removed, again, the old caulking. And I have to admit to you that this is something that I don't like to do. I'm a jack of all trades, do-it-yourselfer, but caulking things in is difficult. I've done okay with silicone and that, but exterior, where you have more of a plastic type of caulking that's stickier, you can make a real mess if you're not careful. So I want to make sure this turns out well, and here's what I've come up with. Okay, first of all, I'm going to use a thermoplastic caulking, and so I've chosen the DAP 230. Now the thermoplastic, it expands, contracts, it's more flexible, should do better in the Texas heat. So I've chosen that. I picked the almond color. Secondly, I've upgraded my caulk gun. So here's my old one. Used this for years, and it's problematic. These old guns, you crank them up, you put pressure on the tube, and you're going away, or you're doing your thing, and then when you stop, there's still pressure in the tube, and it keeps coming out. It just makes a mess. So I've upgraded. This is a Cobalt. This is the 24-volt max caulk gun, and just a few things about this. So you push the trigger, and you can then pull this part in and out. And the nice thing about this is there's 6 speeds. I'm going to use the lowest speed. Only really good professionals can use the speed 6 and just zip everything away. It would be a disaster for me to do that. But so you're working away, and the bottom trigger controls this. Has a lock on it. As you see, it's just moving slowly, and you can really dial it down. It's adjustable. But when you release it, you see it went back. So it's putting pressure on, and then say you have to stop. So you're going away, and then once you release the trigger, it retracts. So it takes pressure off the tube, and it should make for a cleaner job. And then finally, I'm going to tape it. I've found that this works really well. Leave a gap, but tape both sides. And this is I believe 5/8 inch dowel. And no, actually it's 3/4 dowel, and I just cut a 45. And basically, once I put the caulking in, then I'll be striking it with this, just pushing down in the gap. And what it'll do is it will create 3 areas. So you got the main area that you want, nice curve on it, and then it's going to push so much that it creates a ridge, and then there are outside ridges. And then once it dries, you just pull the outside with the tape off, and it should leave what I found in the past to be just a perfect caulking job. We'll see. Let's get going. Okay, it's the next day, and I am now going to pull the tape. It's not completely set up yet, but it's set up enough. I think I can pull the tape and also maybe able to form it, especially around the rock area. So let's give it a try. Okay, pulls off nicely. There's a little bit of residual right there, and I might go back and with a scraper and stuff get that. Otherwise, it is going to be painted. I don't think it's going to notice much, but it really turns out well. It's not an eyesore at all. All right, everything's painted, 2 coats. Let's see how it looks. Okay, here's the final product. Neat and clean. Love how it is able to press in against the rock, which is really hard to caulk into in that, but this turned out great. Just nice clean look all the way around. I probably should have filled in this imperfection right here on the trim board. But as you can tell, again, nice clean look, nice clean lines. Maybe one day I'll be able to use that caulking gun quickly and more professionally without tape, but I'm not quite there yet. This works for me. Hey, if you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.